If your iPhone 17 Pro won't turn on, the screen is completely black or it seems dead, here's what to do. First, make sure that the phone has been charged for at least 20 to 30 minutes using a working USB-C cable and charger. Sometimes it is the charger that has a problem, especially if it's a second off-brand charger that's cheaper than like an Apple one. It could be that issue, so that you think that it's charged, but it's not. If it still won't turn on, perform a force restart, and this is how you do it. Okay, so we're gonna go on the side, and we see that there's these three buttons. We're gonna go ahead and quickly push the volume up, then the volume down, and then we're gonna hold this button right here. And then just keep holding it. So quickly press and release the volume up, then quickly press and release the volume down, then press and hold the side button. Now we see the Apple logo pop up. Keep holding it. And then now it should be turning back on. If nothing happens after several attempts, try another charger on a cable and then contact Apple support if the phone still won't turn on. Okay, we're going to do that again. I'm pushing the top up and down volume, and then I'm holding this. I might have held it too long the first try. So I'm holding. Okay, so let go. And once you let go, then the Apple logo appears. You just did a force restart, and everything should come out normally. Okay, there we go, guys. I hope this video helps. If it does, please consider liking, subscribing. See you next time. Bye-bye.